In this video, I'm going to be talking about the use of programming languages. Okay, so the first use we're going to look at is that a programming language is going to enable communication between human beings and machines. I think we have looked at this one, where we understand clearly that computers understand only binary, right? 0, 1, and human beings understand English, okay? Like that. So a programming language is going to be used to facilitate communication between a human being and a machine. Two, computer programs help us to create computer programming languages help us to create computer programs or softwares. Okay, so meaning without Java, without C++, without Python, you will not be able to build software programs. Okay. So using computer programming languages, they enable communication between different computer systems. So apart from human to computer communication, we also have computer to computer, computer to machine communication. So it's through the use of programming languages that different machines and different computers are able to communicate. Okay, so programming languages help us to control the behavior of a machine. So if today we programmed a robot, okay, programmed a robot. It is through a programming language that we can tell this robot to look. We instruct it how to move. We instruct it how to dance. We instruct it what to say. We instruct it how to answer, how to talk. So it's through the use of a programming language that we give functionality and behavior to computers or machines. Mhm. To Programming languages, they help us to process data, or they enable computers to process data. So it is through the instructions of that you write through a computer programming language that you tell a machine how to process certain types of information. Okay, so programming languages help us to automate tasks. Okay, so without computer programming languages, we can't write automation software of any kind. Okay, so these are some of the usage of programming languages. So there could be many and more than this, but the list is very long. So, but these are the major uses or usage of what of programming languages. Okay, so here I also want you to remind you to bring attention to this word here of machines. So here I deliberately said or deliberately presented this information to say enable communication between human beings and machines. So you have to understand that a programming language is not just limited to your laptop or to the game that you're going to be playing on the laptop. So all electronic devices need the aid of a programming language for them to receive instructions. So starting from an iPad, coming to your tablet, coming to your smartwatch, a smart TV, a smart cooker, everything depends on what? Depends on programming languages. Okay, so this marks the end of the lesson on usage of programming languages.